Hello guys, this is Tanmay Arora.
And this is Dipankar Chog,
Welcome to the Ultimate Football Center.
the talk show. Premier League is back, and each and every team has played at least one or two matches.
Yeah.
And today we're gonna talk about Arsenal.
As we all know that Arsenal was once a very legendary team during the 2000s, and we all know there are so many Arsenal fans around the globe, and the kind of football they are playing right now is not at the level of the Arsenal, to be very frank. Okay.
Cannot agree more. You're right.
Yeah, and this season they are below par in the performance. They have not a good striker. They have not a good defender in their team. There are just one or two players in the team which are you can say that world class players, like in the likes of Aubameyang, and their goalkeeper is very good. I am a very big fan of him, Bernd Leno. He is a very good goalkeeper. He is also German. And if I talk about their defense, they don't have a good defender in the team. Their defense was always a talking point in everyone's mind, and they didn't they were unable to fill that gap in the defense. Their defense is very shaky in the games.
Exactly.
Okay.
I've seen that. It's seen in the game.
And if I talk about the last game they have played against Brighton, Brighton has just won 3 games out of 20, and in these three games they won 2 against Arsenal. So this is a big point for Arsenal. Arsenal is the only club in the Premier League, only in the Britain, who has won the Golden Trophy, the Golden Premier League. They are the only invincible team in the league.
Right, Tanmay, I think you have said really well. Arsenal was one of the best and powerful teams. I remember the time when Arsene Wenger was there. And the only challenge which I feel and want to understand, why aren't they able to attract good quality players and good talent in the team?
Yeah. First of all, I would like to say they are not playing Champions League football regularly.
Yeah.
If they are playing Champions League, they are they are eliminated so soon. And the second thing is that they have not a good management. If I talk about the handling of the player by management, is not so good. They have a player called Mesut Ozil. He was a world class player when he was playing for Real Madrid. Yeah, when this Mesut Ozil from Real Madrid in 2013, he showed his class in the very first game he played for Arsenal. Okay, but now he is not in the lineup. So this is this is a sign that how the management is in Arsenal. And second thing I would like to say, they are not attracting very raw talent. They are not doing good in the transfer market because their manager, their owner is not so collaborative with the team. There is a sign that the manager and the owner always disagree on the point. As you know that the owner of the team is also a pillar of the team. If your owner disagrees on the thing, you can't do that. So for me, the owner of the Arsenal has to think about the team, because this Arsenal is a very legendary team, and for recent performances they are underperforming, and I am very disappointed with the team.
Absolutely. And I echo with Tanmay's word, because in football, this is one thing which is very important, that you should have good talent, you should have good management, good owner, and I think good coach.
Yeah.
And that's how you actually become a winner, right, overall. And I think this is a very important and valid point raised by Tanmay here.
And football is also a team game. You can't win a game by a single player.
Exactly.
Not everyone is Ronaldo or Messi.
Right, true.
And second thing I would like to add, that the tactics they are playing is not so strong. They are very open in the defense. Every small team is playing like a big team against Arsenal. So this is a point I would like to raise.
And I would like to say that teams which used to look small in front of Arsenal are now defeating Arsenal because that their defense lacks. And I think a proper defense and a solid defense is one of the important key to score well, to improve their game.
Yeah, and luck is very important in the football. If you playing a game of football, luck is play a very good part in it. As you know, Arsenal are facing so many injury problems. They have so many players out with injury, and their best player for me, Bernd Leno, and he was injured yesterday in the game. So I just say, please, God help Arsenal.
Haha, truly said, God help Arsenal. Right. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Dipankar Chog.
And this is Tanmay Arora.
We'll be back soon. Please comment, like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon so that you get timely news served hot.